My name is Modupe Oyedele. I'm a civil servant. I work at the Forestry Research Institute of Nigeria, and I'm also a student at University of Ibadan, master's student to be precise.
My name is Benga Ekundayo. I'm from Lagos State. I'm studying presently as a master's student at the University of Ibadan. And my area of specialization is environmental archaeology.
Du coup, je m'appelle Lola. Je passe en troisième année d'une double licence d'histoire et d'archéologie à Paris, à Sorbonne. Voilà.
Okay. Honestly, I found out through a colleague, and then it looks like something that would be interesting in terms of experience, and it's a bigger project compared to what we've been doing in school, because we started going for field work since 200 level. We did 200, 300, 400, and for my project too. So I just thought it looks bigger, which it is bigger, and more experience, and definitely more connection. So I just thought, why not?
Okay, so volunteers were requested for, and I applied. Unfortunately, I was selected among the multitude. So I'm here on the field working, and I'm happy that I'm also here because there's a lot to learn, there's a lot of experience to gain, and these opportunities are not so common, but when you come across them, you have to make the best use of them.
Et bah, je cherchais un stage pour avoir de l'expérience pratique en archéologie, et je compte me spécialiser en archéologie de l'Afrique, même si c'était encore assez vague. Mais du coup, j'ai entendu parler de ce projet qui m'intéressait beaucoup, et du coup, voilà, me voilà.
I started with the excavation, mapping, and then some weeks ago we did survey with the GIS, and then I learned that too. And now, presently, I'm working with Professor Gerald on the portrait analysis from last year.
Oh, like I said earlier, I've gained a whole lot. At least now I can map a site, and the GIS is just so useful. It's so important not to learn something from. And I've also learned how to carry out a simple consolidation practice for conserving posture pavements. I can also carry out the flotation exercise. And normally, from our undergraduate days, we've learned how to excavate. So this is more experience, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be learning modern way of drawing stratigraphy. So that's a whole lot of things for me. It's a whole lot to have gained from this place, and I hope to gain much more.
Ah, du coup, ça va m'apporter déjà de la connaissance pratique et du savoir-faire sur le terrain, donc comment savoir fouiller, comment savoir t'amuser, etc. Et surtout l'opportunité de venir au Nigeria en tant qu'étudiante française, c'est une grande... ça m'apprend beaucoup aussi sur déjà travailler avec des personnes, avec d'autres méthodes, des personnes qui n'ont pas forcément les mêmes cultures, la même langue, etc. Mais qui au final... c'est d'autant mieux parce que ça se passe, le chantier, on collabore avec des gens d'un peu partout et c'est super intéressant. Voilà.